When an excavator track comes off, it's common, but it's a nightmare. Even experienced operators struggle with it. First step, stand the track up on the ground, open a gap, then adjust the machine so the excavator is lined up parallel with the track. Now, use one side travel to slowly move toward the track. Press the drive sprocket onto the track first, because you need to get the drive side seated first. Once it's sitting on top, move slightly so it doesn't slip off while repositioning. Now comes the key step. Hook the track upward. At this point, the drive sprocket is about halfway in. After that, you'll notice the track looks twisted. Use the back side to straighten it out. Lay it flat, then push the sprocket further in. Be careful. If the machine moves, the sprocket can pop back out. When pulling upward, remember the idler wheel is not installed yet, so it may bind. If it won't hook, move the machine slightly forward. Once the drive sprocket is fully seated, keep guiding the track toward the rear. Make sure the extra slack moves to the idler side. Now don't just pull toward the idler. Also inch the machine forward a bit so the lower track feeds backward. At this stage, the drive sprocket is on, but not fully locked in, and all the slack is now on the idler side. Important detail, do not fully seat the drive sprocket yet. If you do, the track will be too tight to install the idler. You need slack to mount the idler wheel. When installing the idler, hook the bottom first. If you try to lift the top first, 90% of the time it'll drop right back off. Once the idler is in place, go back to the drive sprocket. Again, use one side travel to move the slack back toward the sprocket side. Now place a pry bar against the lower part of the track near the sprocket. Push against the lower section as much as possible, then slowly reverse. The sprocket will climb in about halfway. Turn the cab so you can see clearly. Reverse slowly. Don't rush. If you move too fast, it'll pop off again. Once everything is lined up, lift the machine and rotate the track to check alignment, then pump in grease to tighten it. And that's it. Track back on.